Welcome to the AI Reference, where we explore different AI tools through clear, honest, and hands-on reviews. Today, we're looking at Crayo AI. In each review, we'll give you a quick summary of everything important that you can find online about the platform, bring you through every step as we try it out ourselves, and give our own unbiased opinion at the end. Feel free to pause or skip ahead at any point in the video. We always put timestamps in the description. For now, we'll get right into the review. We'll start by looking it up on Google. It's one of the first results, which is a good first sign. Some of the links up top are for different platforms, but down here, we can tell that it's been discussed on Reddit and YouTube, so there are certainly many people online that have tried it out. Hopefully, that means we'll get some good information from a quick look at the platform's reviews. Let's check out Trustpilot. It has 119 reviews, which means we'll get some real opinions here. The app is at exactly 3 stars, but every review is either very positive or very negative. Let's find out why. The 5-star reviews appear to all say that the platform has great customer support. Crayo also responds to the reviews often, so it is clearly very active with customer engagement. Now, let's look at the 1-star reviews. A lot of the 1-star comments complain that the platform does not generate instantly viral videos like many ads say it does. That is exactly why we're making this video, to give you a review that focuses on what the platform can do rather than promising it will make you go viral. The affiliate program is also mentioned multiple times. We are a part of the program, but that does not mean we will try to sell it if it's a bad product. So, we will be sure to update our viewers on our own experience if we begin generating profits from the program. A lot of reviews, both positive and negative, are about users who had trouble cancelling their subscription. We recently purchased a subscription that is scheduled to cancel in the coming days, and we have not had any issues so far. But based on these reviews, we would advise anyone who uses the platform to make sure they correctly cancel their subscription if they plan on doing so. Now, let's visit the website ourselves and see what else we can learn. Okay, so now we are on the main page of the Crayo AI website. Here, it shows us an overview of what the interface looks like, as well as some example videos. It shows us the 3 steps to create a video, as well as some reviews that are probably fake, so I won't bother reading them. Now that we've seen everything on the homepage, let's examine the pricing before we create an account to test it out. It looks like you save 20% per month if you pay yearly, which is not uncommon on these platforms, though 20% is certainly on the higher side. There is a $20 difference between the first and second plan, and a $40 difference between the second and third plan, which is worth noting. The first thing that immediately stands out is that the increase in value is actually greater between the first and second plan than it is between the second and third plan, even though the cost difference between the second and third plan is greater. Purchasing the second plan twice would cost the same amount as the third plan, but you would get even more value. So, I would recommend to anyone who plans on purchasing the most expensive plan to instead create 2 accounts and purchase the second plan twice. Now, let's try the platform out ourselves. We are currently at the dashboard. It has 8 different features. First, let's test out the split-screen video maker. We have a random YouTube Shorts video ready to go to try this one out, so we'll attach it here and see how the platform does. First, we'll choose our background. Next, we'll also choose a font for the subtitles. Let's skip ahead to the video editor once it is generated. Here is the video editor. Each one of these text bubbles has its own word, so you can control each one individually. Let's see how the video came out. So it looks like the bottom video did not work. Let's see if there is anything I can do to fix that. Looks like there was just an issue loading the video, so I'm going to try making it again and see what happens. After redoing it 4 times, I was finally able to get one that works. Definitely not great, but it does look good now. If you notice up here, only the top half of the screen is visible. Let's see if we can change that to make the video more centered. Here we are. Let's use the center of the video. Alright, even though it took 4 tries, this video does look very good for social media. Let's move on to the next feature. Now we'll try making a Reddit story video. This is a video that we recorded when we first began researching AI platforms for our website. As you can see, you can have AI generate a script based on a prompt you give it, but you can also import a real Reddit post. We chose to have AI generate a script to see what it could come up with. Like other features, you can choose a font for the captions and a background. You can also choose the narrator voices. The editor looks the same as the others, so we will cut straight to a short clip of the video.
The death of Julius Caesar in 45 seconds. In 44 BC, Julius Caesar, the powerful Roman dictator, was assassinated by a group of senators led by Brutus.
We will now try making a streamer video. For this, we will use another random YouTube video that we found. We have skipped ahead, and our video has been generated. The video has not been changed much. The only difference is that it has been cropped in front of a background. There are also no subtitles. Here is a sped-up clip of us adding them in and editing them. Right here, we noticed a slight visual glitch on the screen when we moved the captions. And then, our screen froze, so we had to reload it. After reloading the screen, we played around with some of the editing features to show you guys what you can do to the videos. Now we will return to the homepage and create a fake text video. This feature is very easy to use. You can add messages in yourself or have AI generate them based on a prompt. Here is a sped-up clip of us creating the video and running through some of the editing tools available before you generate your video. Many are similar to other features on the platform. This is the final editing screen. It's very similar to the other videos. We've now covered everything that you need to know about Crayo AI. Some tools were very simple and straightforward, so we skipped over them. Now we'll give you our final thoughts. We gave Crayo AI a 5 out of 10 for added value. It doesn't do anything that you can't do for free, but it cuts out the time and stress that doing it for free requires. The fact that the third plan has no real value because you can get the second plan twice for the same price hurts this score. Content quality gets a 9 out of 10. We thought that the videos we created with the platform looked very much like what you would see online. Originality gets a 6 out of 10. There are many platforms that create the same type of videos, but we think Crayo AI is uniquely versatile within this specific niche. User experience only gets a 4 out of 10 because, despite being easy to use, it was very laggy at times, and the background videos occasionally did not load. We gave Crayo AI an 8 out of 10 for our subjective score. We felt that the other scores did not do enough justice to what is an overall great platform to use if you want to create the type of videos it specializes in. As we have already covered, Crayo AI is a great platform, but only for people who are looking to create a very specific type of short video social media content. If that isn't exactly what you're looking for, this platform probably isn't for you. That's all for this video. If you enjoyed or want to see more of what we do, like, subscribe, and check out our website.